Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 64 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. We're continuing with our exercises on 4 notes with exercises numbers 93 and 94.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So again, with inversion pairs, I like to work these in pairs because they're basically inversions of each other. So it kind of helps us provide some context when we pair them together. So without further ado, here is exercise number 93, and just be careful of that major second coming down. When da 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 da, that's what you really need to make sure that you have that pattern. Okay, and here is exercise 93. Exercise 94, just take a second to acquaint yourself with this. Da, 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 da. So we're jumping up those fourths as we go from the C to the F, okay? So just be very careful. Here is exercise 94.